If you want to create or add Yahoo Mail signatures to your emails like this is how you're going to do it. First thing is you're going to head over to your mail.yahoo.com, and then from here, you're going to make sure that you're signed into your account. Now, once you're signed in, it will take you to your inbox or your dashboard page. Now, from here, you're going to look over to the left side panel, and then you're going to scroll down until you see this more button or this three dots icon. Now, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on settings. Now, from the settings page, you're going to look over to the left side panel once again, and then you're going to click on writing email. From here, you're just going to scroll down until you find the signature section. What you're going to do is you're going to turn on this toggle, and then you're going to make sure that it's turned to purple. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to create a signature right here. You can add all the signature that you want to add, such as your name, your position, your company name, as well as your website. You can also add a link to this signature by clicking on this three dots icon, which is the more options button. And then from here, going to click on link. Now from here, you can choose to add a text to display as well as the link. Now you're just going to hit on save once you're done. And then from there, you can also choose your font family as well as the font size. If you want to add emojis, you can just click on insert emojis right here. And then you can also choose to bold some of the letters and italic. You can also do some underlines if you prefer. Now, if you want to redo your signature and you want to delete it entirely, you can just click on this delete button right here or the clear content. Now, once you have this set, you don't have to click any save buttons anymore. All you have to do is you have to click on this new message once again. And once you compose a new message, your signature will automatically be added to your email. And that's it. That is how you're going to create a signature on Yahoo Mail. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.